Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me on this tutorial. This is a preview of my real-time full tutorial over on Patreon of this beautiful vibrant parrot completed using soft pastel pencils and a couple of soft pastel sticks. I've kept the materials to a minimum to try and keep this as simple as possible, just to show you how to keep colours vibrant and how to do things simply to create something that you truly have enjoyed drawing. So the first thing we'll do is get into this preview. So I will show you a few of the quick tips and tricks in this video, but if you want to see the full real-time tutorial where you can draw along in real time and many other tutorials, then take a look over on my Patreon. And if you do sign up, I appreciate it. You will have access to all of my tutorials, and I put new ones on every week. And also, if you want, you can cancel at any time. There's no contract. So it's worth taking a look and seeing if there's anything there that you fancy drawing. Also, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. So the first thing I'm going to do here is use my soft pastel sticks just to create some of the background along the edge of this parrot. So using a dark blue here, and I'll use a light blue and a white. So we're just going to scrub this in just to create the edges. And once we've done this, we'll use a blending tool and my finger just to smooth that in and get it to a little bit of a smoother texture. Later on, when we do the full background, we can lighten all this up and smooth it over. Okay, now we'll move on to the bird itself. So we're going to just go around just darkening up some of the main pits. So I want to just darken up around the eye and anything that may be hard to find once we put more pastel down. So I'm going to strengthen some of these line art lines, especially around the beak, and that way we won't miss anything when we add the other layers of pastels. And now we get into the more fun bit where we add our vibrant colours. So this is the cadmium red in the Derwent pastel range, and that's the P130 for those who want or need to know. I will list all of this, and this comes with the documentation in all of my tutorials on Patreon. And I also add the number of the pencil as I use them to the screen as we go along in the real-time tutorials over on Patreon, and you can download them off my website. So we're just adding in the white now. So I'm putting in, using a white pencil to add this white part of the parrot's face so that we can keep that line. And then we want to keep these colors vibrant. So rather than mixing too many undercolors, we're just going to go straight in with our nice vibrant colors that we see, and then we can blend them as we go along. So we're starting off with this lovely bit of red, orangey red, and it'll transition into orange and then yellow with a little bit of green. For now, I'll stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of this video. Like I said, if you want the full-time, real-time tutorials, have a look on my Patreon. Otherwise, please enjoy the rest of this video, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Any comments? Just to add one more quick thing, if you do have any questions at all, please just ask them in the comments and I'll do my best to reply to you as soon as I can, or as soon as I see them. And for those of you who are still here at the end of this video, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and take a look at my Patreon, and I look forward to seeing you on the next videos.